Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. My name is Kiki Dwi Nur Aini, NIM 20000321151. Today I'm going to talk about 7 principles of Islamic banking. First, I will explain about what is principles of Islamic banking. What is principles of Islamic banking? Islam has set values and goals that meet all the economic and social requirements of the human life. The Islamic laws are known as Sharia, that means clear and path. There are two primary sources in Sharia, the Al-Quran and the Sunnah. The present banking system is based on prohibited financial elements, which are against the principles of Islamic banking. Here, we discuss the 7 major principles of Islamic finance and banking. 1. Profit and loss sharing. It is one of the key principles of Islamic finance, where the partner will share their profit and loss according to the part they play in the business. 2. Share risk. In the economic transaction, the risk sharing is promoted by the Islamic banking. When 2 or more parties will share the risk, which is based on the principles of Islamic banking, the burden of the risk will be divided and reduced in the parties. 3. Riba. It can be regarded as the prohibition of interest. The world will get the return without any risk or effort. Regardless of the outcome of economic activity, the person who gets the loan has to return the money and riba to the lender. According to the principle of Islamic finance, taking advantage of the issue that others are facing is unjust. 4. Gharar. According to the Islamic finance principles, Muslims are not allowed to participate in the ambiguous and uncertain transaction. According to Islamic rules, both parties shall have a proper control over the business, as well as the complete information shall be shared with both parties. 5. Gambling. In Islam, the acquisition of wealth through availment of participation in gambling is prohibited. It will protect the Muslim from the conventional insurance product because that is a type of gambling. 6. No investment in prohibited industry. The industries that are harmful to society: pornography, prostitution, alcohol, pork, drug. One is not allowed to invest in such industry or even participate in the mutual fund that will help the industry to flourish. 7. Zakat. There is a property tax included in the rule of Islam that is known as zakat, which allows the balanced distribution of wealth. According to the Islamic banking principles, the fair amount of zakat is deducted from the account of Muslim in the holy month of Ramadan. Islamic bank promote this social responsibility and distribute the amount among the needy. Conclusion. Principles of Islamic banking guide us to invest in an industry that will help us to achieve the financial and social objectives that have been determined by Islam. They've been designed to make an economy successful, so it is a way of saving our money from being invested in a wrong path. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask. Okay, this is the end of my presentation. Thanks for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.